Wall push-up. Stand facing the wall and place both the palm wider than your shoulder, and always make sure your palm, always the end of the finger should be almost in line with the shoulder or slightly below the shoulder. Right, so now place your palm on the wall and slightly step back so that your body weight will be against the wall. Now, maintaining your palm position, lift your heel off the floor and slowly, keeping your elbow tucked in, slowly try to take your chest as close to the wall as possible. Inhale, go closer to the wall. Exhale, push yourself back up. So this is how we perform wall push-up. Inhale, closer to the wall. Exhale, push yourself back up. Thank you for watching. This is Coach Swati.